Welcome back to Second Chance Garage. I took apart everything that I put together and now I can show you this right here is the fuel pump, where it had two fuel lines going to it. So I bypassed it, gravity feeding it. Let me get down here where I can show you. Alright, now you can see that I bypassed it. There was two lines going in there. I bypassed those. This just runs straight from the carburetor down behind here into this, up to the fuel filter and the fuel shutoff. And yes, it does run, but not perfect. I got it running with the fuel pump, but it didn't run right because the fuel pump is actually cracked. I'll show you. Right here, it's stamped together in half. Well, over the years, apparently it cracked along there and it started leaking. So now, nice focus. Stupid camera. So anyway, it was cracked. So I bypassed it. I gravity feed it. It's running, but it's running the same as it did with the bad fuel pump, which isn't perfect. But I don't have the air breather or any of that stuff put on yet. So we'll see how it does once I get all that put on. So this is Second Chance Garage out.